Hey everybody, I want you to create a folder called Basic Sketching Practice. You go to Create, you go to Folder, and then you call it Basic Sketching Practice. You're going to go Create, and then I want you to drag the first example into the folder. We're now going to create a second example, which is example 2. We're going to go to Document, and we're going to call it Example 2. Okay, now we're going to go to example 2. We're going to go to front. We're going to go to front. Okay, and we're going to now go to sketch. And we're going to go to line draw. And we're going to start on the line. You have the horizontal line. And we're going to go to the origin. We're going to go vertical. And we're going to then go horizontal. You see that little horizontal line that looks like a minus? That is a symbol that tells us that we are horizontal to the x-axis, and I'm going to go enter. Okay, this is approximately the shape. I want to remind you that's very important that we go through the origin, and now I want to do an arc, so I'm going to go straight up to the arc section. I'm going to go arc, and now we're going to line up with one, line up with the other, press enter, and I want you to see that they're lined up with the symbols. You saw the tangent symbol before. That tells us that we are touching, and now we're going to do some dimensions. The dimensions should eliminate the blue and give us a black outline. This is 80, this is in inches. We want it to be in millimeters, so I'm going to show you how to change it. We're going to go to the right of Onshape. There are 3 bars. It says Document Menu, and we're going to go to Workspace Units, and we want it to be from inches to millimeters because those were our instructions, and we're going to go check. So now we're going to go back to sketch 1, okay, and we're going to change the dimensions. It's in millimeters, but we want 80 millimeters. Okay, there we go. We have 80 millimeters. I'm going to dimension the bottom to make sure that's also 80 millimeters. Oops. There you go. And now we're going to touch the arc of the circle to dimension the radius, which is 30 millimeters. Okay, once everything is black, we know our sketch is done. It's been properly constrained, and we have all the measurements needed to have this shape. We're going to go check. Okay, and we're going to look at it in the isometric view. That's okay. Here we are, and we want to extrude. Extruding a shape means just making it wider, giving it a 3D look and feel and measurement. And I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to press extrude. I'm going to go to a depth of 10 millimeters. I'm going to go enter and check. We are done with example 2.